Good morning. My name is Alejandro Alfaro Aco, and I'm hoping to pursue a master's degree in public policy and management at Carnegie Mellon University. My story is one of millions of Mexican immigrants who came to the United States to follow their dreams. Throughout my childhood, my parents saw work in this country as a way to overcome our economic hardships and provide better opportunities for me and my brother. They migrated to the US for the first time during the Mexican peso crisis, and 10 years later, we all relocated to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. My parents' migration experience and my own have shaped my interest in public affairs and my desire to work in Latin America. My goal is to put in practice my multidisciplinary skills to improve the effectiveness of economic and social development projects in the region and ultimately fight the root causes of migration. I see Haynes College not only as an opportunity to learn the necessary analytical and leadership skills to reach my goal, but also as a place where I can link myself to others who share my dream of making Latin America a better place to live. Thank you for considering my application.